Right, so I've opened up brackets here. Well, I've not opened up the file that I'm looking for. So I'm just going to go to File and Open. And I have saved this on my classes folder in week 4. So you guys will save this somewhere else, okay? So you can go and find the file from there. What I want you to do is open up the index page, okay? And you should see the code is sitting in here for you. And I'll not get started properly until everyone's got the index page. Right. Okay, so what the purpose of this exercise is to create a style sheet that makes this look presentable. At the moment, if I go to live preview, file on live preview, it comes up and it looks very basic. So I'm just going to stick that over to the left hand side of my screen. Drag it over and have brackets open on this side of the screen. Okay. Now when it actually comes to doing the styles, I'll try and zoom right in so you can see the styles I'm working on, okay? And I'll try and be as logical as I can with it. So very briefly, just for the purpose of the video actually, I'm just going to go back and have a quick look at what I'm trying to do with this. So I want a logo, a menu, a text section with a picture, with the P's in the middle, text, and then a footer. Now as I say, the footer will be the tricky part, I think. Although if this is the first time you're doing it, some of it else, other parts may be tricky as well. Alright. Okay. So from what I've got here, it's a reasonably well structured HTML document. It's not perfect, but it'll do, right? But what I want to add is a style sheet. Now, because of the way I've set this document up, this line 7 here, I've already said that this is going to be my style sheet. It's going to be styles / mystyle.css. Styles being the name of the folder and mystyle.css in the file. So I'm going to use brackets to make that. So I'm going to go to File and go to New. And this is going to be my style sheet, this new document. So I'm going to go to File and Save As. Now, it should default to the week 4 folder that I've made. Alright, you should be able to see the other files. But what I want to do here is make a new folder. And what was the folder called again? Styles. Okay. Now, this, I know it sounds might sound a bit condescending, right? It's crucial you get your spelling right here. Okay. If you said styles in the link, we have to say styles plural in this as well. So I've got styles then created. Okay. Then I want to double click on styles. And my file name is going to be my style.css. Is that singular? Let me see. I think it was singular, wasn't it? Right, okay, click and save. Okay. And now we've got my style.css. Now, I'm just going to get my file open on the right hand side of the screen. So, are we all good? Magic. Right. So, last week I did a kind of wee trick just to see if it was working. What was it? Yeah, I'm just going to set my background colour. So, the background, the display of the background is determined by the body. Alright. Now, can you all see that okay? Right. So, body, and then curly bracket. And I'm going to give it a couple of blank lines and then tab in and say background. Now, brackets tries to help you out here. Right, it's background colour I'm looking for. And then I'm just going to set it up as FF0000. Okay, and that should give me a red background. And there you go, it's gone red, so it's success. Okay. So I'll wait till everyone's got that. Right, so we've all got the link going here, and I'll just make this full screen, and I'll probably bump that up a wee bit. If I can get Impero working properly, then we'll be laughing. Okay, that alright for everyone? Magic. So, the first thing I want to do is let's change the font that I'm going to be using on this page, okay? So I'm just going to say font dash family. I'll take the red background out now, I'm not interested in that anymore. And it's going to be railway. Okay. And sans serif. Use the wee help that brackets gives you. Okay. So I'm going to trust you guys here. When you refresh your page, it should be a different font and the red should be gone, yeah? So scream and tell me if it's not that. Okay. Right, so the first section of the page that I really want to style and make look halfway decent is, in fact, 2 seconds. Oh, okay. Right, so has that changed for you? Yeah, brilliant. So I'm kind of done with the body at the moment. I'll come back to it later on, I think. So the header section of the page is where we have the easy peasy H1 and the header. So what I want to do is say font dash size. I'm going to say 3 EM, right? Now EM is a 1/6 of an inch. It's an old printing measurement, all right. But if we use that rather than pixels or points, it's much more flexible, all right. 1 EM is the bog standard size. 3 EM should be 3 times as big, all right. So I'm going for quite a big heading here. And again, I'm going to go for a different font family. Now, this only works because I've linked it in from Google Fonts. I'm going to go for Righteous. Okay, and that is the link to Google Fonts. It should still work with double, but it should work with double. Okay. So like I say, the reason the font family works here is because we've made a link in the HTML document. If we don't make the link in the HTML document, we say link to Google Fonts, that won't kick in, all right? So the next thing I want to do is put a wee background image into my heading. And I'll say background dash image URL slash images. So that's a folder that I've already made. And I've got lemon header.jpg. Okay. Now, it's just come into my head here that you guys have got the smallest monitors in the world, so I don't know how good this will look in yours. Do you see the lemon on it? No. Right, okay. Right. If you have a quick look at mine, you can see a wee bit there, right? But it's not ideal, so I'm going to edit that in a wee second. So because I can only see a wee bit of the lemon, I'm going to go back down here and say height. And I'll say 220 pixels. Now, I'm choosing that. I was mucking about with it earlier to see how it looked. And you should now be able to see a bit of the lemon. Or a bit more of the lemon, hopefully. Alright. That's what it should look like. Is that okay? Cool. Now again, any mistakes, because we've established that your file structures are good, any mistakes at this point will just be typos. Alright. So the height, as you hopefully see, it just expands that header out a wee bit. I don't like using the height too much in main sections of web pages because what you want is for the text to dictate how long the page is. Do you know what I mean? But this is quite a fixed thing we're doing, so it's okay to use a height there. All right. Okay, so that's kind of done with that part of the header. Now, I want to put this header and the footer to be 80% of the width of the screen. So I'll say header, comma, footer, width 80%, margin, oops. Now I've said 20 pixels and then auto. Now let me just show you what's going on here. You'll see here that we've got a wee margin between the header and the footer and this part here. It just gives the page a wee space to breathe. But because I've used header and footer, it's taking both the elements, and whatever you apply to that, it will take them both on. All right. So it's kind of a quicker way of writing it. Okay. Any questions so far? Are you all quite happy with that? You all happy with the margin line of code? Yeah? Any questions about it? No? Magic. All right. Took me a wee while to get the margin one when I was learning it, but okay, let's go for main. So, this is the main section of the page. And again, because I've said the header is to be 80% and the footer's to be 80%, I want the main to come in 80% as well. So I will say width 80%. Okay. And again, I want it in the middle. So margin 0, auto. And that sticks it in the middle. It means that there's no margin at the top, no margin at the bottom, but the left is automatic and the right is automatic. And if the left and right are the same, it's automatically stick it in the middle. All right. Now, let's have a quick look at this and see how it's shaping up. Okay. It's all right. So you can see here that down the margin has put it in the middle like this. And that there is going to be 10% and that there is 10%. How do I know that? That's it. Aye. So that's also going to be 10% and that's also going to be 10%. And even if I start to drag this in a bit, that's still 10%, and that's still 10%. And that's why it keeps it stuck in the middle. Right? It's almost like a wee trick, that one. Okay. Right. I'm not going to bother with the radiuses just now, but I'll show you that later on. Okay. Let's look at the nav section, all right? And again, we did this last week, right? But it's the same code as we did last week. So hopefully you understand that a lot of the time the code is just repetition. At the moment, our nav section, it looks like this, okay? And the links work, and you'll notice that hopefully if you click on the links, that each page looks the same now at the top because it's the same style, yeah? And you should see that you've got lots of pictures of peas on the shop page, right? You all got that? Yeah? Right, so what I want though is a nice wee menu that goes along here, because that's what I set out my wireframe. Okay, so I will go in here and I want to style my nav. Now, I'm going to say main nav. Why would I say that? Why would I say main space nav and not just nav? You might have more than one nav, aye. Right? And this means that this only applies to the nav that appears in the main section. All right. So let's give it a colour. Let's go backgrounds. Dash colour. And for my carefully chosen palette earlier on, it represents lemons and peas. All right, I'm going to go for E. If I can read my own writing, E89. 313. Okay. Should be a kind of orange that it gives you, yeah. I might have the whole citrusy vibe. Right. All got that? Okay. So that affects the background colour. But then what I want to do is start looking at how the links and are affected. Now, the links are inside what? What do I always put my hyperlinks inside? Or try to. They're in the anchor, yeah. So list item, yeah. And list item's inside the unordered list. So let's structure the unordered list here. So main nav UL, right? What that says here, and this is quite important because we will have another UL somewhere else. If we only say UL, it'll work. But it means that any other UL that you happen to put in this website will look exactly the same as that. You won't always want that. Sometimes you want a wee bulleted list somewhere else, yeah? So this says that the UL in the nav in the main. So you're being very particular when you're picking that out, okay? Right, so what we're looking for this, we're saying list, style, type, none. What does that do? Takes away the bullet points, magic. I'll then say margin. Sometimes you don't need to set a margin to 0, but a lot of the time it helps. Margin 0, padding 0, overflow hidden. Now that's a bit of an unusual one. What do you think overflow hidden means? It doesn't let the text get out of its area, so it doesn't escape its wee area. You wouldn't want that. You don't want the text to run over the other elements of the page, do you? So it stops it, okay? Right, so I'm going to put a background colour. I think it's the same one I've used as before, actually. So I might not need that. Okay. Right, so I'll save that. Zoom out, let's see. Right, so I've got a nav bar, but it's not quite, the links aren't quite where I want them to be yet, alright? But it's starting to take shape, yes. Hopefully. Alright, if you look at what we're trying to do, logo, menu, and we've got the logo in there and the menu in here. Alright, so it is starting to fall into place for us a wee bit, okay? What's that? Space where, sorry? Yeah, that's the margin, right? So I've chosen to put that in. Do you want it? If you want it, yeah. I mean, what I'll do, see once I've designed shown you the design I've done. What I'd like you to go in is go in and mess about with it and see what your changes you can do. So you can take out margins and padding, and that will move things around for you. All right. I mucked about with it earlier, and I just thought it looked better with the space in it. That was a purely a design choice. Kyle, I can. Okay, so we looked at main nav and UL. Right, so let's sort out this navigation. So we'll go into nav li, which is the list item inside the nav section. And I'll say float left. Have we looked at float before? Did I do my example where I stick to a wall? No. Right. Okay. So you'll see now that they're all stuck together. Aye. Right. Right. So we want to give these elements a wee bit of room to breathe. Right. So if I can then take it down to the actual anchor link. I say nav li space a. Okay, and now I can style this. Now, firstly, I want this to act like a wee rectangle because I want it to light up when we hover over it. So I'm going to say display, and I'll say block. And then I'm going to say padding 10 pixels. And let's look and see how that's changed things. You should see now that they've got a bit of room to breathe. Okay. So they're still inside the wee box we've made, but they've just spaced out a wee bit, okay? However, there's still no margin between these. Do you understand the difference between padding and margin? Right, I don't need... So in here, that's it. It's brilliant. Right. Padding is your clothes, margins is your personal space. That's you win. Right. Okay. Right, so what I can do here, you have to get, oh, I'll give it away actually. See if I just use colour. What do you think that does? It just changed the font colour, aye. So I'm just going to put that in as white. Okay. And what would you say the last wee thing you want to do about this to make it look a bit better? Well, I'll keep it on the left hand side just now. In terms of the actual words, the way they appear, we'll do hover in a wee second. Just gonna take the underline off them, just purely for style, right? It looks a bit better. So, underneath that, I will say text dash decoration. There's none. And you see that the line should disappear off them. I think it looks a bit more presentable. That's just an opinion, alright? Okay, so we want the box to change colour, the personal space, if you will, right? To change colour when we hover over it. So I'm going to say nav li a. Now you can get different states of things in web pages, right? And a state of something can be a hover. That's when the mouse hovers over it. So you don't put any spaces in here. You just say hover, right? A hover, like that. And the only thing I want to do is change the background colour here. And I'm going to change that to FFEC39. And that should work, yes. What colour is it going against? Is it yellow? Okay, we all got that? Right, let me have a wee look at the page and see how it's doing. Okay. Now this here is okay as it goes, but I want it to be a bit smaller and in the middle because in my wireframe, if I can go back that far, there's a wee picture there surrounded by text. Okay. So for this one, I'm just going to have a quick look at the HTML. And the image here is this one here, right? And I've given it a class of feature. Did I have to call it feature? What could I have called it? Anything at all, right? I'll say apples, pears, or bananas. But as long as if you call it apples, pears, or bananas there, you need to make sure you've called it apples, pears, or bananas in your style sheet, right? I picked that out of thin air, this class equals feature. So this is what I want to style. I don't want to style all the images. Why not? Because I've got other images in the site. So if I say all images have to be 20% in the middle, the site will end up looking daft. However, I know that this is the feature one that I want to change. So I'll go into my style sheet. And all I need to do is say dot feature. And the only things that are affected by this are the things that have been given a class of feature, which is just the one image, right? So I want the image to be a bit smaller. I'm going to say width 20%. And then I will say margin 0 auto. Again, what does that do? Tell me what it does. What? It makes the image tiny, but that's the line above. Now, because I'm working with a class here, what I need to do, right, is tell it should be displayed as a block. Because if you don't tell it to display as a block, it won't obey the margin command, right? So I'm going to say display block. And you should see it go into the middle of the page now. Okay. If 20% is too wee, just change it to 40% and see what you think. Muck about with the percentage so you get what you want. Okay. Now, something that has occurred to me when I'm looking at this, that's far too busy. Would you agree? It's too jammed up. So I need to give us a line height and make it breathe a wee bit more easily. Okay. So on there, I want this to happen to all my paragraphs. So I'm just going to put in a tag for P. And I'm just going to say line dash height. And I'll go 150%. You should see that the text kind of breathes a bit at that, yeah? Again, don't have to go 150%. Go with something until you think you like it. Okay, let's go and style the footer now. Now, I'm going to do this kind of basic first, and then I'll show you a couple of wee tricks after it, alright? So, because I'm up with the footer, I just put in footer. And I'm just going to say background, dash colour. I'll go for a green that I've got. 91D 745. Okay. So let's have a little look at my page and see how it's shaping up. It's not terrible, is it? It's not amazing, but it's not bad. Okay. But from what you consider where we were half an hour ago, it's come on a fair amount. So I've got this P's article 2. Not going to do much for that, right? I'm not going to bother because I don't really need to. But I've got a couple of problems here, don't I? Because you're like, well, the page is nearly done. But remember I said this is the tricky bit. So let's look at the footer, okay? And my HTML firstly. So inside the footer, there it is there, right? I have got a div ID called left call and a div ID called right call, right? And there is link 1 is the left column and link 2 is the right column. Okay. There's div 1, div 2. This is where I talked about floating things. Alright. We want them to kind of stick together, don't we? But we don't want them to be glued together. So We want them up in the same line, but we want them a wee bit apart. So we're going to have to float them and give them a width and so on, okay? So, these are IDs, so how do I refer to them? It's not a dot, it's a what? Can you remember? Yes, a hashtag, right? So I'm going to say excuse me, hash left call, because that's what I've called it. And I'm going to say width, and I'll go 47%. Why not 50? If you use 50 and then you start to use padding, it'll immediately knock it over and it'll just flip back down. So again, it's something that you can toy about with, right? What I want to say here then is I'm going to float this one to the left. Okay. And display inline. And that means that everything else is floated to the left. It should work with it. Now I'm going to try a couple of things here to muck about with it, right? Because it's not really fair that I went and prepared this and then suddenly I just show you guys me not making mistakes, or do you know what I mean? Because I chopped and changed this to try and get it the way I wanted it to. So I'll say right call as well. How does that look? Anything? Actually looks alright, doesn't it? Nearly. Right. So we've got a wee problem, but we'll see if we can address that. Let's see. Now, remember when I did the wee example? How did I say that we told something that couldn't sit beside the other ones? Clear. Good. What is this code here? That's all content easy peasy. What is it? It's a paragraph, right? Where is the paragraph? In the footer. Brilliant. Right. So I'll try this. I'll say footer P, right? And I'll say clear both. And you'll see now that it refuses to sit beside the other ones. Okay. And then what I'll say, because it's just a wee copyright message, I'm just going to say font dash size, and I'll say 0.8 EM. And that should sit down quite nicely at the bottom. Now, there's a couple of wee things I want to change here. What could make this look a bit better? The bullet points and the... So if I look back up here, it's the UL I'm looking for. So if I go in here and say footer UL, and then say list style, oh sorry, type, none, takes it away. And then I could go on here and say footer ULLI, and I will say text dash decoration, none. Hopefully that works. Maybe not. So what? Doesn't work for me. Is the line gone? No, I've made a mistake. Text decoration. This should be I. A, sorry. E. That'll take it away. And I'll say color is 000, make them black. Okay, I've got another look.